Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool item right here, and basically what this is a cordless screwdriver. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And when you guys turn it aside, they do provide guys information in terms of what different heads provided for you, or different bits. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first the inside they do provide the cable for you to recharge the product. And basically the cable is a USB to USB-C cable. Next thing inside they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then last but not least we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. If you see the color of the actual product looks pretty nice. It's like a blue or purple color that you really like a lot. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel really soft and very smooth. But it does have like a really high quality like stainless steel or aluminum material. Top part they do give you guys a little handle for you to carry around really easy, which is pretty convenient. And then for this section right here is where you guys want to twist it to unlock it. So if you guys do open it, that is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys do take it out, right here we do have the screwdriver. And right here we do have all different heads or the different bits. So they mentioned how there's a total of 12 of them. So you can see right here, these are all the different bits or different heads that I provided for you guys in this set. But if you guys do open up, once you guys do take out the bag or the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the button for you to press. So one will be screw and the other one will be unscrew. But in order for you to use it, you need to actually turn on the switch on the side, which is right here. So currently, if you can see it's off. So if you guys do want to use it, you basically want to turn it. So that would be mode number 1, mode number 2, and mode number 3. So there's a total of 3 different torque modes on here when you guys do use it. So depending on what you guys are planning to use it for, you do want to change it based on your own preference. And if for top part right here, if you guys do open up, that is basically where to insert the head. Bottom part right here, we see we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. Back part right here, we see we do have the brand logo. And then for the bottom part right here, it's where you can plug in the cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. If you guys can see it on top part right here, we do have the LED light that will turn on when you guys do use it. So that way you can see where it's screwing or unscrewing. So if you guys do test it out, and we see how it does turn on. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it does feel really soft and very smooth. But definitely has a very nice material to give you guys a good grip when you guys do use it. But you see the size of the product is actually pretty small. So that way it's actually really easy to bring along when you guys are traveling or something if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So let's plug in the bottom. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see the light turns on. So that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. I'm assuming once the light turns off or stays on, that is basically how you guys know when it's fully charged. And if you guys try to use it when you guys do it plugged in, it won't work, but the light does turn on. So the product only works when you guys do have it unplugged. Now let's put on one of the heads to test it out to show you guys how well it works. So you basically want to take out one of the heads inside, just like that. And then what you have to do is insert it in. Once you guys do insert it in, this is what the product looks like. So when you guys do press on it, you can see it does work. And you see the way how they designed the head or the bit, it is magnetic. So that way you can hold on the screw pretty easy like that. So now screw it back on to show you guys how will that work as well. Alright, so we do screw it in. You can see that does work. So really easy and very simple for you to use it. And then once you guys are done, you have to put back in. You have to put this back on and put this back inside. Put the cover back inside right here and lock it back in, and it's all set. So you see the product is actually pretty awesome when you guys do use it. And it's so easy for you to set it up and so easy for you to put it away. But definitely the coolest thing about the product is the fact that how small and compact that product is. So that way you can leave it at home, in the office, or bring it along when you guys are traveling as well. So it is wireless or cordless. And do I mention the way how to design the product allow you guys to use it as an electric option, or you guys can also use a manual option as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality cordless screwdriver, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys that don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.